Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door with its frame. First, gather your essential tools, including a pry bar, a reliable level, a power drill, and a precise measuring tape. Next, carefully remove any existing trim or molding that surrounds your old door frame. This step is crucial for a clean removal. Finally, measure the rough opening accurately to ensure your new door and frame will fit perfectly, allowing for about a 1/2 inch gap on all sides. Now, let's tackle the removal process. Begin by detaching the old door from its hinges. You might need a helper for this. Once the door is out, use a reciprocating saw to cut through any nails or screws that are securing the old frame to the wall studs. Work slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding wall. Finally, gently pry the old door frame out of the rough opening, ensuring all pieces are removed cleanly. With the old frame gone, it's time for the new one. Carefully position your new door frame into the rough opening. This is where your level becomes indispensable. Use shims to adjust the frame until it is perfectly plumb, level, and square. This precision ensures your door will operate smoothly. Once aligned, secure the new frame to the wall studs using 3-inch screws, typically 2 on each side, checking your measurements as you go. Finally, let's hang the door and add the finishing touches. Carefully attach your new door to the installed frame, making sure it swings freely and closes properly. Next, install all your door hardware, including the handle, latch, and any necessary hinges. The last step is to reinstall or add new trim and molding around the frame. This not only enhances the aesthetic, but also covers any gaps, giving your new door a professional, polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.